What is up, guys? MCPE Gangsta here. Today will be a pretty short video. Depends on how laggy this is. Today will be a video on me blowing up these 500 TNT blocks. This 500. And I'm going to blow them all up. Oh, I know what to do. So I'm going to build this redstone signal thingy bob that will go all the way to the explosion, because I don't want to be near it when it blows up. So let me get my tools. Some redstone, a repeater, facing forward, facing forward. I'm just gonna do it all the way, all the way back. Oh, no. Rest all the way back, all the way back here. That's far enough. Now, drum roll, please. Can I get drum roll? No. What? You're that so slow. Give myself something nice. And we'll back. Let's see for how long this lasts. Awesome, like, can't really. Lets me out. I want to get out of my inventory. I can't even look. Oh my god, it's going so much. Oh, is it still going? I don't know. Show me TNT. Was it? That was it. Okay, that was it. So this is pretty much the pit of all of the 500 TNTs. There's some going up there. Just a lag, I don't know. But looking up from above, it is pretty big. And look, just to show you how big it is, make a map. This map. That's the whole block. Yep. Square. The new one. Get on here. Nope. This. Oh, same. But clearly, it is a very big explosion. And someone up to the left of the explosion. It goes really long throughout the river. It's just pretty big. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini video. It was really a video. Just giant explosion. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and this pit is just gigantic. So my ducks. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Stay cool, my friend.